Scrutinizing, scrutinizing. I've been making flows that tell the time, and you never gonna know what's happening, baby. You just see me walking. I come up to you talking, but you never stopping. I just don't understand. It's the feeling, I'm a man. I just try to tell you, but sometimes it's in my hands. I just, it's me because I'm trying to stay closer to your mind and closer to you, babe. I just needed some time to realize it's time for me to break. I'm just trying to elude the feelings that we take, cause my heart is ripping left and right. It's bumping sound aside. I just don't know what's happening tonight, and I'm just feeling frightened. Baby, talking crazy. It's how I do, but I have these situating feelings for you. Can't you tell me I'm not right, but I'm wrong? I'm just trying not to stay too long. If that's the way I'm gone. And sometimes you feel this way inside. We rendezvous tonight. We gonna take a feeling from frightenness. Let's have some time to separate the chill. I wanna tell you things that I am for real. And baby, my mind is cello. I'm trying to be mellow, but sometimes you're just trying to see other guys. And no, I'm not gonna lie, makes me feel jealous inside. What am I supposed to do, frightened, right? I just can't stop to think that trust in me is being free. I don't know what's happening, baby. Gonna take another lesson from life and tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take a break and write a letter from me to you. It's gonna tell you about my feelings with a few tears, and that's the only way. I gotta realize it's something here, it's just a feeling inside. I just don't have any other lyrics because these are all mine. The J to the C, and then it ends with the D. And those are my initials, baby. You're free cause I got yours on my back. And that is the stack. I don't need anything else, just my code and you on my rack. I just don't know, and that's the way that I flow. I've said it a few more times before, and you'll have to too, yo. Cause Trey and Zero, they got the best. Restless adversary gone, and I'm the best. ATX rep, the 5-9 check. And when you hear my song, I hope you're right back. Cause I love you, girl, and it's not the feeling inside. It's the uncontrollable love that you see on my grind. And it's the left to the right, like the heart isn't ripping. And then sometimes I'm gotta forget and start sipping. Cause it's 12 o'clock at night, about to be the next morn. I just need to see the sun just one more time for the store. And then baby, taking, breaking, baking, I don't know what's lost. It's all about the feeling that I'm tripping on the exhaust. And sometimes I'm thinking about you, baby. I'm freaking and know what's gonna happen in a day or two, baby, few. And things will stop and end up tearing apart from you. And I just can't imagine, and everything is gonna imagine like I'm trying to fathom. My words are clearly unstoppable for you. It's the sexuality that I feel when I stoop. It's alright, it's okay, my songs lasted too long. I'd have to end it today. The fucking instrumental's given to me from you. I know it's not the best one, but that's what I gotta do. It's my lesson, the words, and my words are too absurd. I just understand things from the herd, and when we're all racing in seconds away, you stopped and took a breath from me and said, baby, hold back today. You're coming too close, you're rushing things, and I'm not trying. It's just a habit for me to love and love you. I'm crying. I don't know, I can't say the same words too much, but they're always in between ones that tell the story, huh? Fuck, this is gonna sound real trippy. From the JCD is going to hippie, and I'm trying to stay my track, real estate and make the stacks. But thinking about you just fired my favorite black. Oh, need to see another day, forget all my pains away. But I don't wanna forget you, babe. It's not my feelings for you, it's me. It's the only way I tried. I just don't know it's over now, and that is so sad.